Hello, it's Gollum here, and I've just bought this camcorder. It's £67.90 off of Amazon, and it's meant to come with a night setting and infrared light. So I'm going to unbox it and give it a test so you can see if it's worth anything or not. Anyway, this is it here. So it's all Chinese, as you can see, high definition. So let's get in there, open it, see what you get. I've never done an unboxing before, so bear with me. Instructions. Oh no, they're the instructions. Leads. Another lead. Plug. Another plug. Oh my god, you do actually get a infrared light with it. Well, I never. So, there you go. An infrared light. Great. And I think... God, is it? I think this is going to be... Yes, it is. The battery. So, what? That'll give me about 10 minutes. We'll have a look. Remote control. And now a case. Very nice. Put it on your belt. And the actual camera. Lens cover. Yeah, not too bad. Looks the part. Feels a bit cheap. Mode, menu, nice screen. The camera itself has only got a digital zoom rather than optical zoom. It's got motion detection, time lapse, 1920, 1080p, 24 megapixels still image. So I suppose now just give it a test, see what it's like. Oh, there's a battery already in there. So there's two batteries it comes with. That's a photo. I don't know how to turn it on. Probably needs charging. Right. I reckon it needs charging before I do it. Unless it's just not working because it's, you know, cheap. But yeah, I'll let you know what it's like. Okay, see you in a bit in the dark. Yeah, anyway, I don't need the zoom because I'll be using it for ghost hunting, I suppose. Anyway, there you go. Gollum signing off. It was actually charged, the battery. It's got a full charge in it. So, there you go. Whoa. Little zoom. Very nice. We'll have a look. So it's got video, time lapse, slow-mo, photo time lapse, burst capture, and a touch screen presumably. Don't know. We'll see. Right, let's go and take some footage with it and I'll put it up. There you go. £67.90. So this is what it looks like with the infrared light on it. Now I've just given it a quick test. It's also got two infrared lights there, which on their own is more than adequate. But when you put this thing on as well, it's ridiculous. And you charge that with a USB on and off there. Simple as. Yeah, so far quite impressed. It's cheaply made, but we'll see what the footage comes out like. Alright, so I've got an SD card in here. The light you can see down there is a Christmas light in the window. So this is without infrared, obviously, and this is infrared with just the two. I'll take my word for it, it's absolutely pitch black in this room. So that's the two front lights, and if I turn on the big light, there you go. That's crazy. That is probably the best infrared I've ever seen on a camera. For, you know, that's quite cheap as well. Anyway, I'm quite happy with the infrared test. So let's go and test it in the daylight. Well, it's not exactly a daylight test, but it's you know, bright enough to see what sort of picture we get of the Christmas tree. And the old Santa over there. There you go. Not a bad picture from the screen I'm seeing. But let's see what it's like when we load it up to YouTube. No image stabilisation, but then, you know, it's £67.90. What do you expect? So there we go, 67 quid. Excellent night vision, which is really what I got it for, and yeah, quite pleased for the moment. See how long it lasts. Gollum signing off. Cheers.